This will be a summary video about the orientation week that I took part in during my time with XploreAsia. Upon arrival, they gave us a welcome packet that included first a Thai SIM card so that we could have data and phone service while you were in Thailand. They gave us information on Rescue Paws, which is their pet rescue service that they do in Hua Hin. They gave us a notebook so that we could take notes during our meetings. A course book for our Thai language class. A map of the surrounding areas. And a schedule for the week. As you can see, Monday we traveled from Bangkok to Hua Hin. We checked into our accommodation and went to the mall. Every other day we had a Thai language lesson, and several of the days we had a Thai culture and politics lesson. On Tuesday we went to the market to gather materials for our Thai cooking class. We did a Muay Thai class, which is Thai boxing. And the last day we did meditation, went to Rescue Paws, went on a hike, and ended with a beach barbecue. So you get off the bus from Bangkok and we walk to the apartment building, which is called Ban San Plume, which is where most of the XploreAsia students will live. When we checked in, they gave us this cute little note welcoming us and then immediately took us to the mall because we were running a little late. The mall has really everything you could need. There's a post office, there's currency exchange, there's a Tesco for food, they have clothing. It's just like a mall at home, except probably more things than you might have at home. I don't have any videos of that, but I do have this video of the guy making monkey pancakes in the food court downstairs. Here is a video of the office, which is where all of our classes took place. It is not a far walk from Ban San Plume, and when you go inside, they had coffee and water provided, which was very nice. I unfortunately don't have any videos of the class, but this was our Thai language textbook, and I have some of my notes that I took. They basically just give you the basics, but the teacher gives you her information if you want to learn more later. We also learned Thai culture and politics. We learned about all the areas of Thailand and a very brief history of Thailand, which is very informative. Across the street is a cafe called Wagging Tails, where all of the proceeds go to Rescue Paws. They served us lunch every day. You would pay for it, obviously, but it was very nice. And our accommodation was very close to the beach. Hua Hin is known for its beaches, so we went quite a lot. On Tuesday, we went to a market to gather all the materials we would need for our Thai cooking class. We learned the names of the fruits and vegetables in Thai language class, so once we got there, we broke up into groups and gathered all the supplies from the stalls, and we ordered all of them in Thai, which was very cool. The Thai cooking class was taught by XploreAsia staff, and they taught us to make papaya salad, which is a very popular dish in Thailand, and you can get it in every region of the country. And they also taught us to make pad thai, which is a dish that was actually created for Westerners. On Tuesday, we went to the Tuesday night market. We walked on the highway to get there, which is pretty funny. The sidewalks in Thailand are rough, to say the least. Once we got there, there was food, there was music, a live band actually, and a lot of stalls selling clothes and souvenirs. The Muay Thai class was kind of like a slowed down kickboxing class. And on Friday, we went to a temple where Rescue Paws was, and we were blessed by a monk and taught how to meditate very briefly. We tried to hike to a giant gold Buddha, not this one, but we didn't end up getting there because it started raining, so we had to just walk back down the mountain so that we wouldn't be late for the beach barbecue. Our off time was spent exploring the city, meeting the people, and immersing ourselves in the Thai culture as much as we could. We wanted to see as much of Hua Hin as we were able to during this week, as the following weeks would be different for everyone. Some people were getting certified in a TESOL course. Some people were volunteer teaching and would be having various English camps throughout the country. And some people only did the orientation week and then immediately were placed at a school and began teaching. Overall, the program was amazing. It was so fun to meet everybody. The activities were really great and the classes were really informative. So a good experience overall.